mechanic every day, every time they touch an aircraft.
The last 20 plus years I've been quality control, and I worked with younger mechanics in that, and I always tried to direct them in the right way. As we both know, aviation is a very serious operation.
These planes, we deliver these to our customers. We have to take full accountability on the job that we've done.
Safety is paramount to everything that a maintenance technician does. You know, it's built into the culture.
Being able to come to a job where what you do really matters and you're learning every day. Integrity and trust, those are extremely important.
It makes me really proud to say that I'm an AMT at Boeing. It was when my friends ask me what jobs I do, when I tell them they always seem shocked and all that. It's good to do cool things each day, such as like engine runs and all that.
Aviation to me is everything. It's my life, it's my joy. I couldn't see myself doing anything else but aviation.
Being a mod tech at Boeing, there isn't many with that get blessed with that moniker, that name. I held it with pride. I tell my kids when I go home, you know, they ask me how my day was. I told them I made an old plane new again.
The proudest moments is when you've had an aircraft through a heavy visit and it's been completely torn apart, and standing with your peers and watching it leave and fly away safely.
Being able to help support our military and keep our entire world safe and connected, and doing really cool things.
Being an AMT is probably one of the best jobs ever.
Working for Boeing, that's a dream come true, and I